Hello, my friends. Are you madly in love with our cute little lollipop holders? Well, let me just tell you, I am. And we already have released the dog and this cute little bunny, but guess who's next? This is the last one in the series, and it is our cute little bear. Now, I have tons of samples to show you of him, but I just wanted to show you this cutie pie. I have other brand new items today. Now, the first 24 hours these items are on our website, they are on flash sale. They only go on sale one time, and that's the first 24 hours they're on our website. They don't go down in price ever again unless you're a club member. Go check it out. Now, here we go. Are you ready? And you know what? This one's not going to make sense unless I show you the actual sample. So I think that's what I'm going to do because it makes way more sense. Are you ready? Get set. This is our half cut. If you took one of our classes, we did the ice cream half cut. This is the coffee cup half cup. Look at how gorgeous that cuts. So what does it look like? It looks like this right here. Here it is. This is what it looks like. It goes on your card just like that. And look at how beautiful that is when it die cuts. It just die cuts it all so pretty and so fun. Now I have lots more samples to show you, so stay tuned on that one. We're also releasing, if you got our 5x7 try background for the hello, we now have 5x7 boo. Halloween. It's time to start thinking Halloween. I know, I can't believe it either, but we have more Halloween stuff coming later next month, but we also wanted to get this out ASAP. Look at how fun this is. You are going to be using this a couple different ways. Number one, you could use just the words boo. Number one, you could just use the web. Number one, you could also just use the stuff that are die cut. But lots of fun samples to show you. Let's give you a sneak peek. Look how cute. Add those cute little critters at the bottom. I love them. They're the pumpkin critters. They fit perfectly on this die set. Now let's look at, oh, here's the little bear. Isn't he cute? I just love him. Lots of samples. And if you're in our stamp club, we now have available to everyone, or if you bought the stamps, we now have available to everyone the dies for that club. So we release the Die Hard Club dies on the 20th of the month. That means our Die Hard Club members get them sent to them on the 1st of the month, but you can only get these if you're in the Die Hard Club on the 1st or on the 20th of the month. So now they are available. Let's jump in and look at all the fun samples. So here we go. Look at how gorgeous this is. Now you don't have to do it as a cutout. You can do it just as a card front if you want, and that's what this one looks like. Here we have another one that looks like a card front as well. So fun. I just love that. So cute. Ooh, look at this one. I love that with the vellum in the background. Isn't that gorgeous? So much fun. So what you're going to do is you're going to die cut this coffee cup and you're going to attach it to your card front. So what you can do is, here is an example. It just has one big long cut right here. You can just cut off the front of your card and glue that down if you want. That works perfectly. You can also just glue it to the front of your card if you want to. Here's another example of that done as well. So there's lots of different options and ways to do this. So fun. Now, there's our little bunny. I had to show you a couple more bunnies because I had so much fun. Here's a cute little felt one. Isn't that little guy cute? Or just use the dies for a card, my friends. You don't have to make a lollipop holder. Make it a card, right? Right? I know, right? Okay, here we go. Let's talk about boo. Boo. Look at that. Isn't it fun? Here's another one. Boo. I love it. And again, these you can use in other ways, and get ready for this next one. Well, not this one. Here's another one, but you're going to use all your other Halloween items. For example, here's your ghost, here's your spider, here's your witch hat. Use those. Here is another spider. Use that. Here is Happy Halloween, a sticker from an older kit. Here's one with other stickers from an older kit. So you're going to get out your other Halloween items. Now, you can also make something that looks like this. I am all about the signs, you guys. I am all about the banners, all about the signs. I love to decorate. I even put these on my refrigerator just with a little magnet to decorate. It's so fun to be festive, right? We need to celebrate the little things, celebrate the big things, celebrate everything, because you know what? Life is short, right? So let's celebrate everything. And imagine having little cute banners like this, or giving little banners like this to people so they can decorate their homes as well. Now, club members, I know you know that I know you know. I said that way too many times. 15 to 20% off every day. Done. It's a sale every day. That's all you need. $13.99 a month. That'll get you into the Stamp Club. You get all the benefits. Go check it out, stampsoflife.com. And you know what? I'm going to see you there. Bye-bye. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you click that like and subscribe buttons, and we've added some featured videos that you might want to check out on the screen. So check out one of those and make sure you're subscribed to our YouTube channel because we always release new videos. Thanks so much. Bye-bye.